Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a technique that you can use when you're not in the mood to wear false lashes. It's really easy. All you need is mascara that can give you volume and length, and you're good to go. So if you want to learn about that technique, just keep on watching. Guys, so I'm going to show you how you go from this to this. Okay, so I'm going to be using my Monsieur mascara by Lancome. I've always been using this for the last couple weeks. It's been listed as limited edition, so I don't know if this would stay in stores for so long. However, I will put down in the description below an alternative mascara that I always use that pretty much gives you the same effect as this one. I pretty much start off by lifting my eyelid like this. And slowly applying. Product. Always make sure to have a mascara that gives you volume and length. It's very essential that you get a mascara that gives you those two effects. So now that the first layer is on, I'm going to go ahead and put more mascara. And the trick with this is just pack on as much mascara as you can, so that way you get the effect that you want. So I'm literally brushing at the bottom and then pulling up. So you give it a wiggle at the bottom and then you pull the brush up like that. A wiggle and then you pull. Wiggle and pull, wiggle and pull. And then I'm going to go back in and get more product. And just do the same thing. And don't worry about the extra product that we get at the top of the lid. We're going to clean that up once we're done. Alright, so I'm going to stop at that. But if you want to keep going to get that extra voluptuous lash, just keep doing that. Just keep putting in more product. Put on more product. And use that motion that I'm showing you guys. Just wiggle at the... Make sure to start at the bottom like this. And then pull up. Pull up. Like that. And then I like to point the brush in the corner like this to get those little hairs. Like that. And then for the bottom lashes, I like to point the brush. This technique is really good if you are doing a dramatic eye, or if you're wearing really long eyelashes, false lashes, and you want that to match up your lower lashes. You can always use this technique. When you point the brush, it picks up a lot of product. I don't know if you can see that from here, but it does pick up a lot. So when you point, you're literally putting on as much as you would want in one setting, versus going into the little thingy and picking up product all the time. Just do this. Alright, there you have it, guys. I hope you like this technique. It's super easy. All you have to do is make sure you get a mascara that has a lot of volume, that will give you a lot of volume and length, and just use the technique that I showed you, and you will get your false lash look without actually using falsies. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, okay?